Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto E7I Power. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bar. Now you can type Send Anywhere over here and then download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do the same. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you can choose send on an Android and receive on Motorola. After that, click on all of those type of dots and choose send in order to transfer all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and click got it only for example. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on Motorola, choose allow and point your camera at the QR code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into Files app, selecting in my case, firstly browse in the middle and then in my case Images and tap on Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!